Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing a fun video with you. I'll be sharing the 3 items I plan to purchase in 2020. As I mentioned in a previous video, I am actually going to be on a no buy challenge for 2020 where I'm not going to be adding much to my wardrobe, closet. If you want to check out more information on what my no buy challenge consists of, definitely go check that video out so you'll know my rules for my no buy. When I was putting together my no buy challenge, there were 3 items that I really wanted to purchase, and I limited to 3. And over the course of the year, I do intend to pick up only these 3 items as far as extras. Again, if you want to hear more about the no buy and what my rules will be, definitely check that video out first. But as far as my items that I will be shopping for, I'm going to share them with you in this video and explain why I chose to pick up these 3 items. So let's get into the video. 2020 luxury wish list or shopping list, since these are items I do intend on purchasing. So the number 1 item is a Cartier Justina ring. I have been eyeing this ring pretty much all of 2019. I've gone into Cartier boutiques several times and I have not been able to actually try this ring on in my size. I still very much want the ring, so I'm just kind of waiting for the right time and when the ring is available in my size for me to pick it up. So that ring was really intended to be for my birthday gift to myself last year. So I feel like as long as I get it before my birthday this year, it still counts. So that's the number 1 item on my list. The second item on my list is a Chanel So Black wallet on chain. I don't know if you guys know my wallet on chain, the boy wallet on chain that I picked up, I think in 2018. I used that bag to death. I recently sold it because I just was noticing it was becoming very worn and I wanted to kind of sell it so I can replace it before it got too bad. So I recently sold that bag just like a month ago, and I sold it with the intention of just going ahead and repurchasing another wallet on chain. So this is kind of like a trade, really not a brand new purchase. The only thing is I would like a wallet on chain in the So Black, which are hard to come by. I am definitely going to be looking in the pre-loved, pre-owned market for this item. So I have to kind of wait for the right one to come around. I'm not sure when that'll be or what the exact specs is. I definitely know I want a Chanel So Black wallet on chain. So that is the second item on my shopping list. So the third item on my shopping list is a brand new item. I don't think I've ever mentioned this bag before. So the last item on my shopping list or my luxury wish list for 2020 is a Celine Box Bag. Guys, like, I am in love with that bag. I recently tried one on in Neiman Marcus as I was shopping for that during the holidays, and I just realized how badly I needed it in my collection. I'm just really drawn to these smooth leather structured bags that look very they have this clean line, super structured. So I would love to get one with silver tone hardware in a neutral color. I'm not really looking for a black one. I would love like a gray or cream, even like a pale pink. I do want a color with silver hardware. Again, I'll be looking for this on the pre-loved market. I've been already shopping around for one. That item is quite pricey, so I'm looking to exclusively purchase that item pre-loved just because of the price point. If you buy it retail is way out there. Those are the 3 things that I'm looking to purchase in 2020. Like I said, this is going to be a different year for me when it comes to shopping, but these 3 items are things I was kind of in the process of acquiring or purchasing prior to the new year, so I do want to go ahead and get those 3 items. Cartier ring, again, it was technically for my birthday last year. I just haven't gotten it yet. And my wallet on chain was again supposed to be a swap out, but I didn't find the exact one I wanted to purchase. I'm just lusting over this Celine box bag, so that's why it's number 3 on my list. But it's also like would be a fun purchase and a great addition to my handbag collection. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. That's the 3 things I'm looking to purchase in 2020. Hopefully you'll see the unboxings for those 3 items before the end of the year. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, why don't you go ahead and join our fashion community here and subscribe. I talk mostly about fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes travel. And please turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time guys,